listeners tuning in this.
Right.
Our ancestor.
We are live on our Facebook page. We send to all the friends tuning from overseas as well. And matakan di bengkar di kuara, we kemudian itu betul-betul susu. Bekakina to all the students who are going to school in the school bus, in the minivan or taxi. Saya nak tolil di bawah ada matakan di kuara. Ada benar ke Eleanor? Ada benar ke Demes?
Sampai kamu.
Totok na nomor top sih.
Top.
Oh, that's top.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank
Totok na nomor top.
Green whitish.
Yes.
Mana nomor sana?
Aran rokan tonggo, pati kena bula sign.
It's
na isulu na kena ambuli.
It was always in my bag since last year. Yeah, I have worn it several times, but then I think without lobby, it went right under my other clothes, and so I'm just picking up the ones on the top. And then yesterday I saw
since you are unlumbering and you found it there, lying there at the bottom. Okay,
so I decided to pull it up and wear it today. It happens. It happens. So lang ako nandang batu baya, so isulu. Dakinadala, this is what I was looking for.
Dinasar.
Yeah, before then, we would like to say good morning to Etonia Taibode Chiki from Mono in Kandabu. Good morning, Chikina. And also to Rea Wabisakowosa, Choweli Ambaki, and good morning to the family of Tehana. Kalambu Primary School, Chone Tehana and Merian Masutawa. We are saying good morning. And not forget,
who?
The one and only LT1230 girls only. Dabs.
Good morning as well to my sister, Egindelai, boarding the car this morning with Moji, Matike Mata Chowasa, and a Lotoka Aspen Medical.
Yan Robinaka.
Right,
yan Robinaka. We say to Father Quilla Tambalo, who was calling just a while ago, Father. Nana magitalang ada bukuning ngolong may supa and singan ni matak. How was your trip to the West, Demis?
The trip in the West was perfect, fantastic, excellent, good work.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Just like the teacher is marking our book. If it excellent, that's very good. If good, it's not on par. If very good, it's up to par. If very poor, that means something wrong with your head. So we would like to say good morning to Naivalu. Nabakata to Manilanga from Mba, Naivalu, and also to the market from Mba.
Right.
These are the women from Tonge in Mba.
Right.
We would like to say good morning to Tanene and the family. They joining from the bus from Tonge downwards to the town, and also to the all the surrounding from Ba. They were coming together, they take pictures, we were listening to BT FM every time. Dedicates us on Monday. We are on you now this morning. To the people of Mba, we are welcome you in the Outspalang show this morning.
Has there any one time your mind or head gone bankrupt?
Sometime.
I think it happens during the weekend.
The bankrupt only occurs when
because 4 nights away from home.
Sometimes bankrupt. The bankrupt is not about money. It's about feeling.
Right.
When your feeling leaves your hormone and goes low in the dark side of your body. See?
Right.
That's where bankrupt occur. When you see somebody stare without the eyes moving from where he's terrible. That means the mind is corruption.
So when your eyes is because concept itu mo na ilokon mata buat talentua, can you manipulate that person?
You can't change that person or manipulate, but you can overthrow.
Okay. Going to the West, you really like enjoy the trip down to the West after so many years. Take us through the morning that you called to go to the West.
In the morning, only 5 minutes for me to ready. I was not supposed to go.
Last minute.
It was a last minute call. In the morning, I was preparing myself to come to work here in the studio for the Pakata Misinga. So and then they called me, the engineer. Hey, ready? Go. Sabarutoso. About we're going down to the West. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, afternoon come back.
See,
boy, I'm a married man. Usia ni rawan ni utang sauri. Kila bos tu memang ngau, moni ngau. Lesen dia rabuki-buki.
I have to do a proper farewell, man.
I want to ni rawan ni bibi mo sa
Dapat kita balok kici pun sasar.
Iyo.
Iyo.
Au sabango bi ko boy. Eu tu mo rida na ko matawale meset ke da gaitoso.
Iya.
Da fala, kuota la vale po sa bara usado.
And the fella from Ngau, eh?
Kila all my dirty clothes, uniform
Yes.
for the walking.
Yeah.
I put inside my bag. Okay, I told the mother of my children.
Right.
Mom,
Iya.
mom, yo. 4 days away.
Kis karo.
Kids come on.
But thank you so much.
Cancel na tua. Then after that, I hug the two boys.
Right.
Hug the two boys. It's about nearly 6 in the morning.
Yeah.
Hug the two boys. Hug my daughter. I told them, wait on the Sunday. I'll be
Dinner,
back.
yeah.
You know nga,
Sudden change of plans, eh?
Peka masauri.
Iya.
I put everything inside my bag, but the main boy was missing.
Like first line of defense.
I said, this is ngo baka nga konela lingone ako na home alone. Then I go. I enjoy going to the west. Very lovely. The people from Nendi, Lautoka, Mba.
Yeah.
Thank you very much from
Yeah.
to Momoyame.
Yeah.
Momoyame and the family from Namotomoto.
Right.
This morning, Christina, good morning to you and the family. Thank you very much for your hospitality.
Yeah.
And everything. And also to the staff of the hotel we live in.
Don
Oh,
Ya sini don kami tukunim bata ni ni Dems eh.
Iya.
Ya kau ni tukuni pengau na. Mento melita kata tu na sasma rabi na sing how many days and nights?
Hey, only 4.
4 days and 4 nights. Only one particular material.
the smallest.
The smallest material. Only one. And what happened during the stay in the West?
The happen is this. Lucky we gave the dryer.
Yeah.
Second, Sekundi ka sa mama. Awango, senirawa ka ko mewolo.
Well, tell drone news sa mga rabasi.
Nanilim basika. Wai! Jangan perasaan, boleh nak ka. Si Kelly na boleh. Boleh nak ka saya sama indalay taka daw bulan.
Ya tela to levu tukira korte welu bula.
Iyo.
Asiti.
Apakah pikir?
Sikali na ibalu ruwa sa mga komendali to na mata ni kuha.
Kanggo may nantuya sa may soya.
Right. Antonio Revika, yan binaka Jakat Prasad.
Lolombu.
Iyo.
Lolombu revango rei di ribu nidangi rei di sakoda rei di rokara.
Right.
Pambamba talibaya rei ni ba. Tatakus komendalo kilisi sili doli suwarnangon.
Iyo.
Ve komba to kami baya.
Right.
Meray singo may nilu mo sa ibura arna yanra.
Andra binaka.
Emele, yan binaka mena tumbo meluto
Dano
ka.
sa mga tatu wali na nindaw traffic niya kabi. Lebih nan rebar ndo muri nangun sala be kombe biang uni sala gravel bia da toka.
Ya meron basiwi.
Basi ka bay to batamakui.
Sansina.
Ke baka traffic mo la kami bay baliliw.
Iyo.
Traffic bay baliliw la kami langir.
Right.
Iku ngutong mi bay.
Lolombi ka?
Iya.
Oi.
Muria sumay ndale toko kare langi road ngai muria sumay be komba.
Iya.
Lambe dawir bay korbo. Lai dawir tele bay akan do sa ray to batamakui.
Tomakui.
Iya, nitu nga bam tanga bangon jalan na indali toko ray di kalambu. Ikumbuka kami na kalambu. O ray di makoi.
Right.
Patungan jalan na okay misombe no ray di ko no very tu.
Isalay.
Iya, era tu bay ray di
Dinasar.
Tabuliw.
Tabuliw, eh?
Yan binaka Antonio Revika. Yan binaka.
Nawala sa mga na babi kaning kay lag tagtiko siya matakin hat. Era buni show matag ko meta matag